So guys, Thomas here, type of Rc-Xtreme, down the gravel pit. Traxxas ERevo 2.0. Slippery. I'm gonna order some sledge tires. Basically, like running on ice. There's not much room here for error. Well, actually quite good. And we didn't get up straight. I think body over electrical. Okay. Well, and it's the new lipo. Oh, both have opened up. Yeah, due to the flex. Ooh. Okay, so the body's still there. Need to get some decent washers. I'm just gonna end this session. Ah! Oh, my back, my shoulders. The question is, I can try to drive it up here. Pretty decent grip. Save of the day, guys. Stay in there. Pain luck. Okay. But well, not gonna walk down there. That's for sure. Gee, it's so, the humidity is really high. It's been raining and we have around 22 degrees. Sun is on. So I'll be back. Still in one piece, guys. Tires. Yeah, that was a fun part. Oh, we broke it. Ah. Oh. Yep. No, we didn't break it. Wheel, the Pro Line Desperado 3.8 rim. You can see here. Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. Not gonna end this. Well, there are a few decent jumps over there, so I'll take that. Thanks for watching. So, yep, toasted. But I have had them in my possession for, say, beetle. Must be, can it be 8 or 9 years or so. Been re-glued many times with different tires. Definitely gonna change from the copperhead tools. I don't like them at all, especially not here in the gravel pit. So the new G-Targe hard anodized shocks, the hard coded, working flawless. It seems like I can change them. No cracked chassis, no broken arms. Still carbon fiber, how you say, the hinge pin holder there. Actually took a real bad hit. I think it was the second pack I got it. Running carbon fiber one. No problem since that. Yeah, you can see my outdrive. They are extremely hard, so they, as you can see, crack or snap. So gonna change that to that's it, guys.